So, good morning, students. Today, I am discussing about the new topic of public administration in value addition section for UPSC CSA Mains 2026, and this is a topic of agile government, right? So, agile government is a new development in public administration in terms of theoretical development to the public administration, and see it was developed through the inclusion of agile software in in say information and communication technology revolution in 2001. After that, in 2010, and more importantly after COVID 2019, it has become imminent to discuss about the agile type of government. It is basically iterative type of government and more based upon adaptation, flexibility, collaboration, coordination, then networking type of government, then more based upon feedback, like that. See, earlier theoretical development was there based upon like that in new public management was there, as the common textbook is saying about कि जो पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में लेटेस्ट डेवलपमेंट गुड गवर्नेंस एंड सी न्यू पब्लिक मैनेजमेंट के रूप में है. बट सी number of developments are there taking place in public administration, or since public administration is multidisciplinary in nature, so whatever the development taking place in say for example in economics or even in political science, or more particularly in say latest paradigm of subject development, is including under the public administration. Since public administration is a living subject, interactive subject, and it requires to have some addition, since the action part of government is related to public administration. So the action of the government is the subject of continuous change. With the change in the nature of the society, with the change in the requirement of the see policy making formulation and see such kind of evaluation, there need to have certain type of change to be required to be added in public administration. Since 2019 was a paradigm development, after that see new changes were required to be added in public administration also, by having with continuous feedback type of things required in public administration. Since you see in COVID-19 situation also, government was trying to have the continuous link between center and state and different organizations, what they are performing, and continuously they were taking the feedback and accordingly they were reacted. So it was adaptive. Adaptable means to say uh, it requires to have some kind of a policy to be reintroduced, or what you say policy to be introduced also, with a change in the see with change in the नेचर ऑफ व्हाट यू से पॉलिसी मेकिंग, लाइक दैट कि कोई नया चेंज आया तो चेंज के हिसाब से उसमें रिएक्शन होना है पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड. एंड सी flexible means to say, although it is also taken as some important characteristic of agile government as to have flexibility. So flexibility was there. In addition to that, adaptability was also there. Adaptability means to say flexibility is a one thing, but adaptability means to say with required to the change of the society or need of the society, that kind of change would be introduced in terms of policy making, right? So adaptability would be there, then collaboration would be there. So different stakeholders of the society for the development, like see even of civil society, private organization, then see local organization, then even individuals, and then uh, organization from outside of the country, that collaboration was there required. But more importantly here is in terms of what you say networking, like that they all organizations are working in government sector, that is government requires or government is promoting all the organization to work together, or for the government functioning all the organization is see working together, that is there in terms of what you say networking type of government. Then there was also some important characteristic like that of keep changing in the policy making with continuous need. And then uh, what the agile technology or agile software was saying, with the need of the hour, कंटिन्यूस फीडबैक इज देयर, लाइक दैट कोई प्लान चला रहे हैं और उसका गिवन टाइम में फीडबैक लिया पब्लिक से और फिर उसमें री इंट्रोड्यूस किया, फीडबैक के हिसाब से पॉलिसी में चेंजेस किया, लाइक दैट इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग एनी स्कीम, for example like that कि even in public administration also, as I have already told that in COVID 2019, what the government was taking initiative in that time. Then even if you see the example of policy, public policy in terms of agile government, that see nowadays government is taking collaboration of different organization in functioning of the public administration, and see you have the convergence type of organization is there, like like you are implementing the state district level program, like aspirational district program, where different departments are working together. Different departments are working together in a cross functioning or cross functioning way, like that ki different departments of the district, or what do you say, state government, they are not working in a silo like uh, departments, but they are collaborating to each other. What is required in for aspirational districts or the purpose of aspirational district program, that is there. So cross functioning is there. Then what do you say, along with cross functioning, what I told here, that networking would be there and collaboration would be there, and then cross functioning. So these three things are also there added in agile government. So these are the basic difference, and how you can make value addition to the mains examination of public administration more particularly, you can take it as in terms of difference with new public management, since new public management was the latest development as per the textbook of public administration, generally saying as the latest development is new public management and good governance. So new public management were also having with adaptability, but the adaptability there in new public management is concerned to organizational adaptability, not in terms of what you say adaptability in terms of public services, that is for efficiency or economy to the organization. Such kind of adaptability was required in organization, but this is concerned to, or agile type of government is concerned to the adaptability with the particular scheme, particular services, like that. In individual capacity you need to some kind of adaptability to be changing, or adaptability would be there, like that. Then see, in terms of new public management, there was some kind of mission orientation in government. Here mission was based upon organization, or to achieve the purpose of the organization there would be some kind of mission. But in agile type of government, mission is there, but mission is here in terms of, again, like that, to resolve the particular problem, like that you have to concentrate on a particular disaster management. So whatever the need is there, and on that time particularly, see, you need to be focused on. So some kind of way of operation would be differentiating in both the type of governance. That is all about today regarding the agile type of government and how it is different from new public management. Right? Thank you.